Welcome to Umbria, Italy. Near Lake Trasimeno, there's Villaluce Wine Agriturismo, part of the Marami Estate. Join me now for a calm, peaceful walk through this authentic rural place. We start outside next to the Villaluce building. The estate lies on gentle hills, surrounded by vineyards, olive groves and farmland. The architecture reflects the charm of rural Italy, with clean lines, large windows and warm-toned plaster that blends beautifully with the landscape. Founded in 2007, the Marami Estate produces artisanal wines on about 25 hectares of vineyards. Villaluce was designed as a guest house for those seeking peace, nature, and an authentic rural Italian experience. From here, you can admire Lake Trasimeno, the fourth largest in Italy, known since Etruscan times. We've arrived at the entrance. Inside, it's open and simple, with light stone floors, a lounge on the left, and a discreet elevator on the right. Villaluce blends comfort with rural charm. I'm walking up the main wooden staircase to the second floor. The stairs are well lit by natural light. Villaluce was built using sustainable principles, with local wood, stone, and natural lime. The design focuses on simplicity, function, and respect for local tradition. Here is a spacious bathroom, brightened by a skylight above. It includes a sink, toilet, bidet, bathtub, and a large shower. The style is simple yet elegant, featuring beige and red tiles complemented by matte metal fixtures. This is one of the guest rooms. It has a double bed with thick white cotton sheets and simple wooden furniture. The window looks out over vineyard-covered hills, making it a place for rest and quiet. Here's the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is fully equipped with a large wooden table by a wide window. Guests can cook using produce from Marami Farm or nearby local farms.
You're just one lost soul here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love?
This room also has a large bed and big windows. Villaluce keeps its guest rooms few and peaceful to ensure quiet and privacy. Here is the second bathroom, almost identical to the first. It has a skylight, quality ceramic, and a practical design. In agritourism places, comfort like this is rare but a clear priority here. Here is the final part of the tour, the attic relaxation room. You reach it by climbing the stairs from the second floor hallway. The space is surrounded by windows on all four walls, offering a panoramic view. It has a large sofa and is the only room of its kind in the building, perfect for reading, enjoying a glass of Marami wine, or quiet reflection. The atmosphere is intimate, warm, and very soothing.
Worthwhile, now I feel like I believe in a higher love. Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind.
Like peace and wine? Hit subscribe and let the journey pour in.
That's where we're headed on the better days, and the sun